Welcome back to ABCT Stock Review. Today we're running our momentum watch list of 127 small cap setups for June 11th, 2026, including EDHL, FLYE, WCT, CHSN, and more. For each name, here's where price sits versus our planned entry and upside targets. Everbright Digital Holding Ltd, founded in 2021, specializes in digital marketing solutions, including virtual and augmented reality. With a market cap of $5.83 million, its PE ratio isn't provided. Today, shares jumped 12.9% on heavy volume, 120 times the average, indicating strong momentum. Over the past year, the stock is down 74.8%, with an RSI at 62, marking it as neutral. Currently priced at $3.50, it sits below the planned entry of $3.96, with profit target 1 at $5.94 and profit target 2 at $7.92. Next, watch the plan to hold above entry. Expected volatility suggests a 1-month range of $1.51 to $5.49 and a 1-year range of $0.00 to $10.43. A constructive scenario could unfold if it holds above entry and builds strength towards the targets. FLYE Group Inc. designs and sells smart electric motorcycles and accessories across North America. This stock has a market cap of $3.26 million. Shares rose 14.29% today, boosted by heavy trading, 16 times the average volume. Their performance over the past year shows a decline of 76.4%, with an RSI of 61, indicating a neutral stance. Currently priced at $2, it stands below the planned entry of $2.88, with profit target 1 at $4.32 and profit target 2 at $5.76. Next level to watch is entry. Volatility forecasts suggest an expected 1-month range of $1.34 to $2.66 and a 1-year range of $0 to $4.28. A cautious outlook is warranted, given the dip below entry. Wellchange Holdings Company Limited is an enterprise software solution provider based in Hong Kong, with a market cap of $4.97 million. Today, shares soared 30.53%, driven by 73 times average trading volume, indicating momentum. Over the last year, the stock has plummeted 84.9%, with a neutral RSI at 49. Currently, the stock is priced at $1.71, well below the planned entry of $2.48, with profit target 1 set at $3.72 and profit target 2 at $4.96. Watch for the entry level as critical support. The expected 1-month range is $0.26 to $3.16, while the 1-year range is projected between $0.00 and $6.74. Constructively, if it manages to regain entry, it could build a base toward those targets. Chanson International Holding manufactures baked, seasonal, and beverage products in China, with a market cap of $3.15 million. Today, shares rose by 10.57%, following 14 times the average trading volume, a clear sign of strong interest. Over the past year, the performance has been dismal, down 99.4%, and the RSI is neutral at 54. Priced at $1.36, it is significantly below the planned entry of $2.20. While profit target 1 is at $3.30 and profit target 2 at $4.40. Monitoring the entry as a critical level is essential. The expected range over the next month is between 0.56 cents and $2.16, whereas over the year, it projects from $0 to $4.13. It could regain a constructive view if the price consolidates and moves back towards entry. Raytech Holding Limited provides personal care appliances with a market cap of $9.82 million. Today, shares increased by 6.45%, supported by 22 times the average trading volume, indicating strong market interest. The past year demonstrated significant growth, up 96.4%, with an RSI of 34, suggesting it may be oversold. Currently priced at $3.30, the stock trades below the planned entry of $3.54, while profit target 1 is at $5.31 and profit target 2 at $7.08. The next critical level to observe is entry. Expected scenarios suggest a 1-month range of $2.28 to $4.32, and a longer-term range from $0 to $6.83. A constructive outlook is possible if it holds the entry level and builds upward momentum. Sentage Holdings Inc. offers financial services in China with a market cap of $6.84 million. Today's trading saw a rise of 10.41%, benefiting from unusual volume at 75 times the average. The stock's performance over the last year has reflected a modest growth of 3%, with an RSI of 65, indicating a neutral position. Currently priced at $2.44, it remains below the planned entry of $3, with profit target 1 at $4.50 and profit target 2 at $6. An important level to keep an eye on is the entry point. The expected 1-month price range is $1.93 to $2.95, with an anticipated yearly range of 68 cents to $4.20. If it holds that entry and builds upon it, a constructive scenario could unfold toward the targets. Huachen AI Parking Management Technology Holding Co. provides EV charging solutions, boasting a market cap of $15.58 million. Shares surged 31.29% today on massive volume, 637 times the average, demonstrating significant market activity. Despite a drop of 27.8% over the past year, the stock's RSI stands at 51, indicating a neutral state. Currently, trading at $9.19, it's slightly below the planned entry of $9.40, with profit target 1 at $14.10 and profit target 2 at $18.80. Keep watch on the entry level as it holds crucial support. The expected volatility presents a 1-month range of 0.28 cents to $18.10, while the projected yearly range is explosive, from 0.00 to $40.16. If it can reclaim the entry and build upward, it could lead to a strong long-term scenario. Yimutian Inc. provides agricultural B2B services with a market cap of $5.81 million. Today, shares fell by 6.85%, but unusually high volume, 20 times the average, indicated ongoing interest. Over the past year, the stock has been down 96.3%, with an RSI at 30, suggesting it may be oversold. Currently priced at 76 cents, it's under the planned entry of $1.01, with profit target 1 at $1.52 and profit target 2 at $2.02. The entry remains a key level. Expected 1-month range is forecasted at 0.43 cents to $1.10, while the yearly view suggests a range from $0 to $1.91. A cautious approach is warranted unless it consolidates and moves towards entry. HWH International Inc. operates in the food and beverage sector, providing various healthy dining and marketplace options in Singapore and South Korea. With a market cap of $10.62 million, it saw a 15.92% gain today, driven by over 22 times average volume and a potential upside projection from the early scanner. Currently, its performance has struggled recently, with 1-month gains at 32.7%, but a drop over the last year of 39.1%, placing the RSI at 79, indicating that it's overbought. The stock is trading below the planned entry of $2.51, with profit target 1 at $3.765 and profit target 2 at $5.22. Watch for any support around the entry level. Expected price range over the next month could be between 97 cents and $1.87. Ming Shing Group Holdings Ltd. engages in engineering and construction services in Hong Kong. With a market cap of $17.52 million, it experienced a daily change of 2.27%. Influenced by over 11 times its average volume, flagged as a potential runner by the early scanner. The company is currently facing a decline, with a 1-month performance of negative 16.7% and an RSI at 41, suggesting a neutral position. The stock is below its entry level of $2.55, setting a distance to profit target 1 at $3.82.5 and profit target 2 at $5.10. Expect price fluctuations between 78 cents and $1.92 in the coming month. Ucommune International Ltd. specializes in agile office space services in China. With a market cap of $1.59 million, the stock decreased by 9.27% today, driven by a staggering 156 times the average volume, indicating a notable change. The performance trend shows a severe decline, with a one-year drop of 75.8%, and an RSI of 34 suggests it's oversold. It remains far below the planned entry of $4.735, creating large distances to profit target 1 at $7.1025 and profit target 2 at $9.47. Focus on any signs of a reversal, with a potential price range expected between $1.55 and $3.15 in the next month. Xcel Brands Inc. is involved in media and consumer product sales across North America. With a market cap of $10.93 million, the stock fell by 14.05% today, underpinned by 56 times average volume and a projection of substantial upside from the early scanner. Its recent performance has shown an impressive one-year gain of 73.6%, but the RSI is at 42, suggesting a neutral stance. The share price is trading below the planned entry of $3.56, with profit target 1 at $5.34 and profit target 2 at $7.12. Watch closely for developments, anticipating a possible price range of $1.19 to $2.42 in the near month. Senmiao Technology Limited focuses on automobile services in China, including rental services and financial solutions. With a market cap of $6.56 million, it saw an increase of 8.27% today, amid significant volume surging to 105 times average. The performance over 1 month is up 26.3%, but the RSI at 75 indicates that the stock may be overbought. Currently, it trades above the planned entry at $1.41, closing in on profit target 1 at $2.1115 and profit target 2 at $2.82. Keep an eye on momentum, with expected price movements between $1.11 and $1.77 in the next month. WeBuy Global Ltd. offers travel services across Singapore, Indonesia, and Malaysia. The company has a market cap of $6.41 million and rebounded with a 19.02% increase today following strong Travel Expo bookings. The stock is currently in a tough spot, with a one-year decline of 71.2% and an RSI of 53, indicating neutrality. Trading below its entry point of $1.24, profit target 1 is set at $1.86, and profit target 2 at $2.48, providing a substantial upside potential. The expected price range over the next month stands between 0.75 and 1.59. EZGO Technologies Limited designs and sells electric bicycles and tricycles in China. With a market value of $3.76 million, it showed a rise of 5.16% today, on 12 times its typical volume, highlighting its potential as a runner. Unfortunately, it has experienced a drastic decline of 99.5% over the past year, and the RSI of 39 indicates an oversold condition. The current price is below the planned entry of $2.15, with profit target 1 at $3.225 and profit target 2 at $4.30. A price range of 65 cents to $2.61 is anticipated in the forthcoming month. Oriental Rise Holdings Limited specializes in tea production and sales in China. The company has a market cap of $2.73 million and saw a 3.25% increase today, driven by higher-than-average volumes and 86 times the norm. Despite an RSI of 63 suggesting a neutral position, the stock is trailing below its planned entry at 79.38 cents, with profit target 1 at $1.19.07 and profit target 2 at $1.58.76, showing potential upside. The price is expected to oscillate between 31 cents and 77 cents in the upcoming month. INNEOVA Holdings Limited operates in the consumer cyclical sector, focusing on automotive parts distribution in Singapore and the Middle East. Today, the stock surged 14.1%, fueled by 11 times average volume, indicating strong investor interest and a potential breakout.